In this video I want to show you how to set the kitchen timer on any Toshiba Origin Inverter Microwave. It's pretty simple to do. The only thing you have to do is on your keypad here, go ahead and hit the timer clock twice. So you hit it once and then twice, and then what's going to happen is you're going to have 4 zeros up here where you would have normally you would have the time, and then what you're going to do is you're going to enter your time. You can go up to like 99 hours. But what we're going to do is we're going to do, let's say, 5 minutes and 50 seconds. So what you're going to do is simply hit timer clock, and then we're going to go 555 for 5 minutes and 55 seconds, and then you hit start 30 seconds. That'll immediately start your timer. Let's say you want to do it for 90 seconds. You just simply hit timer clock 90 for 90 seconds, and then hit start 30 seconds. Then it will start the clock. It's fairly simple to do. Conversely, if you just wanted to change the clock, instead of hitting the timer clock twice, you would hit the timer clock once, and then you would enter your time and then hit the timer clock again, and that sets it. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.